Hello, my name is Nerf. Today, my brother will teach me how to use a Nerf gun. So let's get started. Can you teach me? What is this? Bullet? Okay, where do we put the bullet? Where do we put it in the gun? Yes, we put it there, the bullet. What's the second step? Now what do? You pull this?
Oh.
You pull this? Now you've pulled it. No, don't eat it, baby. Hold it. And you pulled it. Now what do you do now? No, you don't pull it again. You press this and... That was cool, right? Let's practice again. Come here, baby. Can you help me find it? The bullet. Where is the bullet? Good baby. You found it. Now you will have to do the steps again. Now, do it. Do the steps. Put it tight, and now what do you do? And shoot. Yes, that. Shoot. 3, 2, 1. Shoot. Press. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that was amazing, wasn't it?